There is no easier loop stitch than the lazy daisy. It can be used to create fillings, patterns, and texture. Start by coming out at a point. Take your needle through the same point and come out a little ahead. Now loop the thread under the needle and pull out the needle to create a loop. Anchor the loop down using a tiny stitch just outside it. Work a cluster of the lazy daisies in variegated thread for splendid results. Or use the stitch as a building block and create different patterns. The lazy daisy is a popular stitch to create quick botanical structures. It works as petals and it can also work as leaves. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then please let me know. Thank you for watching.